Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on IBPS Clerk Prelims Mock Test 15 paper explanation. So in this first we will cover our reasoning section. So first 5 questions are based on the puzzle. 8 persons PQ, RSTU, VW are sitting around a square table. So there is a square table given. Okay. So here 4 of them are sitting at the corners and faces outside. So those who are facing at the corner, they are facing outside. While 4 are sitting at the middle side of a table and face inside table. Those who are facing inside, they are at the middle. This is what is given. Only one person sits between U and P. Only one person sits between U and P. Next, S6 immediate right of V. S6 immediate right of V. Neither of them is an immediate neighbor of U and P. Q6 second to the right of S. Q6 second to the right of S. Q6 second to the right of S and W6 second to the left of R, and both of them sit at the corners of table. W6 second to the left of R. W6 second to the left of R and both are at the corners. I am taking like this. W6 second to the left of R and both of them sit at the corners of table. R is not an immediate neighbor of S. R is not an immediate neighbor of S. Next, T neither sit on the middle side of the table nor opposite to R. T is not in the middle, not opposite to R, so T is here. T is here, and it is given that S6 immediate right of V. S6 immediate right of V. S is not here, S is not here, so S can be any of these places, right? S is immediate right of V. If S is here, immediate right of is not satisfied. So S is immediate right of V is satisfied like this. S is immediate right of V. Now the only thing left is what? Now the things, if it is not S, something else we have. Only one person sit between U and P. Between U and P there is only one person. S6 immediate left of V. S6 immediately left of V, and neither of them is immediate neighbor of U. Immediate neighbor of U. So it cannot be U. It cannot be U. So definitely we should have like this. U is not an immediate neighbor of T. U cannot be here. So we should have U here and P here, the remaining Q here. Who among the following faces P? Who is facing P? Yes, option B. Now second question. 4 of the following are alike and which is different? So here which is different? V is different because all the remaining are facing towards center, whereas V is facing outwards. It is in the corner. Next, which of the following is true about R? If you see, 2 persons sit between R and Q, which is correct. It is P and T. So it is correct. Next, question number 4. What is the position of V with respect to W? The position of V with respect to W. Second to the left. So fourth one, answer is A. Next, Question number 5. What is the position of S with respect to Q? The position of S with respect to Q is it is second to the left, second to the left. Now, a series is given, series of numbers are given. See, if all the digits of numbers are arranged in ascending order within number, then which of the following is third number? When they are arranged according to the ascending order of numbers, then it would be like 204 becomes 024, and next 246, next 357, next 169, next 079. Now it is asked which of the following is third lowest? Third lowest, second lowest, third lowest. So third lowest is 169. Thereby answer is option C. Option C. If first digit of highest number is 9 is divided by second digit of second highest number. Second highest number is 619. In that second highest number, second digit is 1. So 9 by 1, the result is 9. Next, if the first digit will be replaced with third digit, second digit with first digit, and third digit with the second digit within number, then what will happen? The series will change like, see, it will become 420, 246, 357, 961 and 097. So here the question is which number is lowest? The lowest number here is 097. So answer is 970. Now question number 9. What is addition of third digit of second highest number? Third digit of second highest number. Second highest number, third digit is 9. And first digit of lowest number. First digit of lowest number is 2. So 9 plus 2, which is 11. So answer is 11. If first digit of second highest number, first digit of second highest number is 6, is multiplied by first digit of lowest number. First digit of lowest number is 2. So 6 into 2 is 12. So answer is 12. Now you have one more puzzle here. See what is given. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting in a linear row. So it is a linear arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some of them are facing north, some are facing south. D sit at one of the extreme ends of the row. E sits third to the left of D. E sits third to the left of D. G is immediate neighbor of E. H sits third to the right of G and faces same direction as G. H is neither an immediate neighbor of D nor sits at the extreme end. Only two persons sit between B and F and both of them face same direction. C faces north and is an immediate neighbor of F. B faces opposite direction of C. A faces same direction as B. Both the neighbors of G face same direction. E and H face opposite directions to each other. Now if you see here, D sits at one of the extreme ends of the row, and it is given that E sits third to the left of G. Third to the left of G. If for example D is here and facing north, E sits third to left of. If D is here and facing north only, left is possible. Okay. If E sits third to the left of D, 1, 2, 3, E has to be here. If for example D is here, D has to face south. And E is third to the left, first, second and third, so E has to be here. Now what else we have? G is an immediate neighbor of E. G is an immediate neighbor of E, so G can be either here or here. In this case, G can be either here or here. H6 third to the right of G. H6 third to the right of G means if G is here and facing north, H would be here, first, second and third. It is given H6 third to the right of G. H6 third to the right of G. For example, if G is here, first, second and third, H would be here. Okay, it is a probability, right? If G is here, then H has to be here. But it is given that H is not the extreme. H is not the extreme. So this is G, this is H is not possible. Okay. And for example, if you take this case, if you see this case, H6 third to the right of G, H6 third to the right of G is possible, means first, second and third. Okay, first, second and third. So this is not possible in this case. G cannot be here. Now, next one. H is neither an immediate neighbor of D. H is not the immediate neighbor of D. H is not the immediate neighbor of D. Satisfied? Nor 6 at an extreme end. Only two persons sit between B and F. Only two persons sit between B and F. So this can be B, this can be F. This can be B, this can be F. These two and these two, BF. And both of them face same direction. C faces north and is an immediate neighbor of F. C is an immediate neighbor of F. C is an immediate neighbor of F. So what you can say here, C is an immediate neighbor of F means B and F can't be these two. Okay, so C, I can take B and F like this. C is an immediate neighbor of F and C faces north. It is given C faces north. Only two persons sit between B and F. Only two persons sit between B and F. That is H and C. Next, what we have, and both of them face same direction. Both of them face same direction. Okay, only two persons and both of them face same direction means these two face same direction, H and C. Next, what we have, C faces north and is an immediate neighbor of F. B faces opposite direction of C. B faces opposite direction of C. So now you can say this particular arrangement is correct. So it is not D. The above arrangement is correct. The only person who is left here is A. Now A faces same direction as B. A faces same direction as B means south. Both immediate neighbors of G face same direction. Same direction means here A and E face same direction. Next, both E and H face opposite direction to each other. So E and H satisfied. And what about F? F is obviously like this, south only. Okay. Now this is the entire thing. Now question number 11, if you see what is given here, who among the following, because why I have given south, because B and F face same direction. Okay, who among the following 6 third to left of C? Who is third to left of C? Third to left of C is first, second and third, it is E. Next, who sits second to the right of G? Second to the right of G is B. Next, question number 13. How many persons sit between D and B? Between D and B there are 3 persons. Between D and B we have 3 persons. They are E, G and A. Next, 4 are alike and which is different in the following options. So if you see the remaining D, E, B, F are facing south. H is the only one which is facing north. Next, who among the following 6 at the extreme ends? It is D and F, option B. Next, there is a sequence given. How many symbols are there in the above arrangement which are immediately preceded by a vowel. Immediately preceded by a symbols preceded by vowel. So you can say here one is symbols preceded by vowel. This one, and the other where you have symbols preceded by symbols preceded by vowel. Symbols preceded by vowel, and whereas symbols preceded by vowel. So you have two. You have two here. Next, how many numbers are there? How many numbers are there in the above arrangement which are immediately preceded and followed by a consonant? So here what can be said? See here, this one, D5L, numbers preceded and followed by a consonant. Then L, N in between 9. So here also we have two. I don't find any other. Next, how many such consonants are there in the above arrangement which are immediately followed by a number which is a perfect square? Just now I have said it is L9. Only one. Only one. Nowhere you have after a consonant a perfect square. So question number 19. How many such vowels are there in the above arrangement which are immediately preceded and followed by a symbol? I could see only one here. Only one here, so only one. Only one. Next. How many such letters are there in the above arrangement which are immediately preceded by odd number? So, alphabets, that is letters, preceded by odd numbers. So you can see here 1H, 7R, 3G, 5L, 9N, and you have 7C. So the answer is 6. Now we have one more puzzle here. So if you can observe here what is given, 8 persons PQ, RSTU, BW, born in different months from January to August of a year. You born in a month having 31 days. So if you see here, January to August, you have different months given. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 8 months are given. Okay. 8 months are given. 8 persons are born in different months. Now please see here, 3 persons born between, you born in a month having 31 days. You was born in a month having 31 days. 3 persons born between you and T. So V born in a month immediately before P. V is born immediately in a month before P. Before P. Only 2 persons born between P and R. Between P and R, there are only 2 persons born. Okay. Only 2 persons born. R born in a month having 31 days. 31 days. R is born in a month having 31 days. W born before S. W is before S. But none of them is born in a month having least number of days. So this is not W, this is not S. T was born before W. T was born before W. Q was born in a month after W. After W. So Q was born after W. Q was born after W. So what is given here? T was born before W. T was born. T was not born. T was not born. Sorry. T was not born after the before W. So what does it mean? T was born before W. T was born. T was not born before W means T was born after W. After W. So you can see here Q was born in one of the months after W. Q is after W. After W, even T is also after W. T is also after W only. T is also after W only. Now, Q was born once after W, but does not born after T. Does not born after T. So you can say here WQT. WQT. So not more than 4 persons born between Q and U. Between Q and U, you have not more than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 I am taking between Q and U. So now what else I have? U does not born in a month immediately before V. Immediately before V. So this last one is not V. Last one is, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I am taking like this W, Q are fixed, and about this I am not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am taking U here. And now let us see. U is born in a month having 31 days. 3 persons are born in between U and T. So 1, 2, 3. So April. 3 persons from what is given? 3 persons are born. 1, 2, 3. So it can be T. It can be T. 3 persons are born in between U and T. Next, only 2 persons born between P and R. Only 2 persons born between P and R are born in a month having 31 days. Are born in a month having 31 days. So this is P. This is P. And W was born before S. W was born before S, but none of them was born in a month having least number of days. So now where is S? These two are there now. Now please see, T was not born before W, it's already used. Q was born in one of the months after W, but it's also already used. Not more than 4 persons between Q and Q. U does not born in a month. S was not born immediately after T, so S is here, and the remaining person is who is that? V. V is here. Now how many persons born between T and S? Between T and S you have 2 persons. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Next, 22nd question. Who among the following born in a month having least number of days? So in the month of February, who is born? It is Q. So option A, not 23. Who among the following is the youngest? Who was last year? It is R. Next, question number 24. Who among the following born immediately before S? Immediately before S, who do we have? It is P. Immediately before S, it is P. Next, 4 of the following are alike and which does not belong to the group. So answer is V. V does not belong to the group because so all the remaining, if you see W, U, R, T, if you observe here, W, U, R, T are in the months of 31 days. V is not in the month of 31 days. V is in the month of 30 days. That is how it is different. Now next one. 7 persons of a family having 3 generations and 2 married couples. K is the sister-in-law of Q. K is the sister-in-law of Q. K is the sister-in-law. So K's husband's sibling is Q. Okay. Next, K is sister-in-law of Q. A is the mother of L. A is the mother of L, and L is the sister of Y. L is the sister of Y. G is son of B. G is son of B. Q is married to A. Q is married to A. Q is married to A and it is given A is the mother. A is the mother. So Q is the father. Q is the father. Right? Right? Next, L is sister of Y. L is sister of Y. G is son of B. So G is son of B. Q is married to A who does not have any sibling. A does not have any sibling, and now these two, like these married couples, what? L is sister of Y, A is mother of L. L is sister of Y, and Y is a male. Y is a male. These two are siblings. So this is the overall thing what we have, and here B's gender we don't know. Now, if J is the wife of B, if J is the wife of B, if J is the wife of B, B is the husband. Then how is B related to L? B is going to be the grandfather. B is going to be the grandfather. Now next, how is G related to A? How is G related to A? How is G related to A? It is brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Next, 7 persons. How is Q related to Y? How is Q related to Y? If you see here, Q is the father. Q is the father of Y. L and Y are sisters. A is the mother and Q is the father. Next, 6 persons J, K, L, M, N, O are who all works in same company and different monthly salary. The one who gets second lowest salary earns 5,000 per month. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 5,000. This is 5,000. Only 2 persons earn less than O. Only 2 persons earn less than O means O would be here. O would be here. Right? O would be here. O would be here. Right? Next. K earns more salary than L. K's salary is more than L, but less than N. So you can say N is greater than L. K earns more than L, but less than N. K is less than N means N is greater than K. N is greater than K. Next, the one who gets third highest salary earns 12,000. So this is 12,000. J earns more than N. J earns more than N. But he does not get the highest salary among all. J is greater than N. N is greater than K. K is greater than L. Greater than L. And O is greater than O also. What is given? Only 2 persons earn less than O. So O is fixed. O is fixed. Now J is greater than N, K and L. So definitely, and it is given J is not the person who is getting highest. So I can take J here. I can take J here and N here, O here, K here, L here. Now all conditions are satisfied. J greater than N, N greater than K, K greater than L, and O is third. O is what? O is greater than, only 2 persons N less than K. Less than K is also satisfied. Now the person who is left is M here. Now what will be the possible salary of O? More than 5,000, less than 12,000. Less than 12,000. So answer is 8,029, option D. Next, who among the following earns the highest? M. Next, who among the following earn the lowest salary? Just now we have done, it is L. Now 30 to 33. Questions based on directions. Please see here. How far is point Q? Now see here, point Q is 5 meter to the south of P. Okay. Next, point R is 5 meters to the east of point Q. Point R is 10 meters to the north of S. Point T is 5 meters to the west of S. Point U is 5 meters to north of point T. This is 5 meter. Okay. Now the question is, how far is point Q from U? This distance how much? This total is 10. It is 5. So it will be 5. So answer is 5. Answer is 5. Now question number 33. Point P is in which direction with respect to point S? Point P is northwest. So answer is northwest. Answer is northwest. Next. So here P less than or equal to B greater than J. So the first one is J less than U. So if you see here, J and B, J less than B, B less than or equal to U. So J less than U is correct. Now P is equal to D. So it is given that P less than or equal to B, B greater than D. P and D relation can't be established. So only one follows. Now last question from reasoning in today's paper. So X is less than C. X is less than C is equal to V. So if you see here, then V greater than E. So where is the relation of E from G? Yes or no? Now G is equal to K. If you see here, V is equal to C and C is greater than J, C is greater than J and is less than or equal to K is equal to G less than E. So here you have greater than, less than, different inequalities. So the relation can't be established. Now X and K, same, X less than C is equal to V. X less than C is equal to V. And we have here C greater than C, X less than C, greater than J, less than or equal to K. So less than, greater than, different inequalities are there. So relation can't be established. So answer is neither one nor two. Neither one nor two. None follows. So this is previous paper analysis on reasoning section. Thank you so much for being a part of today's session. Thank you so much.